I met this girl at the metro. Then I texted her the metro station ka naam.
I met someone at a grocery store.
You texted her pav bhaji. Brinjal. If you guys are having sex with your partner, try not to record it.
Who's pretty for you?
Khushi Kapoor, but natural. Dating apps are a dark place. My account got banned. They have access to the older version of Instagram. For now, I would like to stay away from my parents. Mummy, I can explain. When you meet someone IRL, I think as a guy you have the upper hand.
Where did you approach girls in IRL?
The most random places. Relationships fucked up होता है.
अब वो fuck up हो गए हैं.
मेरा एक बहुत ही निजी सवाल है.
La la la.
Hello.
Wait till I get my money right. Oh.
I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven.
So I'll just spend it on a net.
Fuck that. Alright. Hello. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Starting finally.
Yes.
What's up?
Welcome back to another episode of Mixed Fruit. Today we have,
We're back in Bombay.
yes, we back in Bay. And today we have very notorious, very funny, very sarcastic
Hey, funny क्यों बोला?
That's why.
Lakshman, the Gujarati boy with us. Gujarati,
Cannot sing.
Who cannot sing.
For the love of God, he cannot.
How would you want to start off? You was talking about something.
We were talking about dating apps. Fuck
Okay.
you Hinge, fuck you Tinder, fuck you Bumble. I love Dilmil because I'm on the top 10%. But still, fuck you. I did not get anybody off of that.
What is
app.
Dilmil?
Dilmil is like international brown people dating app. So
International brown people.
yeah, because brown people, even though they are attracted to white and black women, it's just for a matter of short time, right? Like, dekha, bust and data, and they're back. Yeah, bhai, Jai Hind.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Dilmil is for that.
Yeah, Dilmil is for the Jai Hind personality.
Oh,
Right.
so do you have a Jain personality?
When I bust a nut.
That's a really good way to start our amazing
Very,
podcast.
Yes.
very valuable, very...
100%.
How would you introduce yourself? Like, are you a sponsor from Dilmil?
What?
Are you like...
No, absolutely not. I wish though. You can always hit me up on. Okay, you need to bleep that out.
No.
No.
We have the control over the edit.
Oh, fuck.
So this will go
So
in.
why do you hate Hinge so much?
We're going straight off. Okay. So, firstly, like we were talking before the podcast, guys, there was a pre-podcast as well. Anyways, we were talking about how dating apps are a dark place. Do you agree? No?
I mean,
Okay. So dating apps personally, very fucked up place. Okay, like he just moved the mic. Okay. Dating apps personally, very fucked up place. It's like an infinite loop. Like you cannot really get out of it unless your mother finds out. I think that's the only way you get out of it. Otherwise, you're still in that
Or
loop.
you find someone...
is
genuine.
that just on Hinge? Or is that on Tinder and other apps also?
Like Hinge is the craziest of all when it comes to the loop that I'm talking about. Otherwise, Bumble is also
I didn't mention Bumble, I just said Tinder.
Oh, Tinder is ass.
Yeah, now, bro,
Indian Tinder is
Bhagwan
good.
ki photo aati hai, bhai, every third
Dude,
swipe.
Yeah.
I saw Ranbir Kapoor on Tinder.
Did you match?
No, it was Rekha. Mah.
Okay, anyway. So, yes.
So, like...
till the time the mom doesn't find out,
You're
cannot
in
get
that
off.
loop if you have Hinge installed and you
Right.
were not given the attention that you deserve as a kid.
But
I think Hinge has a क्या बोलते हैं, policy ki it is made to be deleted,
Yeah.
right? So, matlab,
No, doesn't work.
like, what if you find someone genuine on Hinge?
See, the possibility of that is very less, but it's happenable. Okay, like it can happen. Happened with me multiple
Oh,
times.
I would like to know more.
Multiple times. So I
Oh,
think
multiple times.
It will take a short film. But yeah, so if you find someone on Hinge, I think if both of you are genuinely interested, it can really like you can pull the relationship off. But if one of you is just on the app for attention, you will just end up stop talking to the person. और फिर वापस चले जाओगे Hinge पे.
So you were there for attention.
No, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe, clearly.
and
चलता है.
just to clarify, how old are you?
19.
All right.
When this podcast comes out.
You will be 20?
No, 19.
Still 19?
Yeah.
You'll be 19 when the podcast will come out. So technically you're 18.
Yeah.
How old are you? Oh, sorry. When is your birthday?
Gandhi Jayanti,
I have no idea.
7th October.
भाई I have no idea मत
October
बोला
से-
कर cancel हो जाता है.
भाई ठीक है यार अपना birthday बता
I don't know
दियो।
गांधी जयंती.
हर साल होती है क्या? हर साल बदलती है ना गांधी जयंती।
Yeah, obviously.
तो मेरे को कैसे पता होगा?
हाँ भाई, ये कसम क्या था?
Guys,
He's
before
from
we
Chandigarh.
before we proceed ahead, please get your GK correct.
Yes.
GK?
Yeah.
100% it is GK.
GK, Gandhi, knowledge.
Nice.
Do you have any opinion on Gandhi ji?
Oh hell yeah, dude. No. Boo. If I could replace Gandhi ji with someone, it would be myself.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm not attracted to minors.
I think we should wrap the podcast now.
Yeah. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the Mixed Fruit podcast. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. No, we're not stopping.
Fuck.
Like still you didn't comment on that getting out of Hinge thing. What was the story? I want to know that.
Yeah, okay. So we'll just pick one of the stories
Oh,
from my
okay.
Hinge experience.
It is one of the stories.
Yeah. Okay, so I match with this girl, okay, and she love bombs me. Do you know what love bombing is?
No.
Okay, so love bombing is showering someone with affection because obviously they are on Hinge, so they need affection, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
Affection and attention. So you shower them with that. Ki, oh, I love you. Yaar, kya body hai? I want to bite your biceps. This is what the girl said to me. I want to bite your biceps. मैंने उस हफ्ते 3 बार bicep train की सिर्फ. ठीक है? So it was that fucked up. 1 week of love bombing, and the next thing you know is they'll pretend that, oh, this is how I generally talk. I'm nice to everybody. And then they just pretend that they did not say all the things in the past because we spoke on Snapchat.
So you are saying that she used to tell that she wants to bite biceps to every other guy.
My bicep, no. But she said she said she was nice to everybody. This is how she generally spoke to people. She was nice.
Being nice to people doesn't mean you
You
have to bite their
the
bicep.
Yeah.
exactly right. Same point.
Like if I am nice to Konark, I won't say I want to bite your bicep.
I mean,
Yeah.
please don't be nice.
But yeah, so this is what happened. One of the experiences again.
Okay.
Very fucked up. Wouldn't recommend talking to someone on Hinge seriously. Unless you like, so for me it was that I did not see the girl.
Arranged hookup.
No.
Arranged
We-
hookup.
It's a concept now.
Blind hookup.
Yes.
No, not blind. Okay.
Yeah. But no, I did not see the girl for the first 1 week when she was love bombing me because she was way too busy with maybe attending other guys or something. I don't know. But she was busy. That's
Biting
what she said.
biceps.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So-
वो एक week नहीं मिले, and when we were planning to meet, she thought I was way too obsessive. कि, oh, I just want you. Bicep खा ले please.
So,
So
does
the-
the content thing help you get more
Yeah,
Bicep-
absolutely.
bicep cuts?
Yeah, absolutely. So now that I've realized, ki, oh fuck, I'm good at comedy sometimes. I'm sorry. So I always try to just do whatever I can. I try to be more loving person so that if it works out, hell yeah, dude, I have a wife. But if it doesn't, I just have another podcast to talk about it.
Nice.
So that's how I've started taking love.
my question is like, since you said कि जो बंदी थी,
Yeah.
she was attending other guys as well. So were you attending other girls as well? in
No,
that phase?
absolutely not.
So you were
Like,
loyal.
Not back then, but now if somebody tries to love bomb me again, and if I notice that pattern, obviously I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you'll be attending other girls.
Yeah, obviously. Like now I won't be taking a girl that seriously, at least on text. If it's in person and I can genuinely see the affection in her eyes,
Oh.
yeah, maybe.
Eye stalk.
Yes.
Video calling more.
Yeah. No.
Still not meeting her.
No. Just meeting in person.
Okay.
So was she from Bombay?
Yeah.
Still you guys didn't meet?
No.
Why?
No. Like she was
It's
from
far,
Bombay, but
bro.
yeah,
Everything's
exactly.
far.
Kandivali and Bombay is far.
Kandivali is not in Bombay.
No.
It is.
No.
Almost.
Yes.
Okay.
Like, so basically she's not here now. Good riddance. But previously when she was always talking about her university and stuff. So she moved out. Yeah.
Moved out of Bombay or the country?
Country.
Best by best.
Yes.
Good for you, bro.
Yeah, good for you.
I'm really happy. So how long have you been making content again?
2.5 years now, or
And
more actually.
you like it?
No, sometimes. Like now that it has become ki everybody wants to be a content creator, so I sometimes feel like it's a race.
Yeah.
But then I feel like ki, if I go for quantity, I'll fuck up again.
Hmm.
I have not fucked up yet, but I think I will fuck up.
You haven't fucked up.
No.
But I heard that one of your account was
Yeah, so Instagram fucked up. Fuck you, Instagram. Fuck you, Meta India. If you're watching this, I don't care anymore.
This will be a short. They will watch it.
This will be cut. I don't care. Oh, fuck. I just said fuck you to someone, but they're cutting it anyways.
so
Yeah.
like tell me what was that thing, like your account got banned and everything.
Okay, so my account got banned. Okay, oh my god, this is something that almost every creator needs to hear. So, if you can get the verification badge and if you don't care about your legacy, then you should 100% go for it. But if you're like me, a little too narcissist, then wait for the verification badge to come. Second thing, there are people called plugs. Okay, now this is some real talk that I'm doing. Plugs. Okay,
Okay.
they are the people who can ban your account. How? From what I know is they have access to the older version of Instagram. Okay, so they make an account with your name. Let's say मेरे नाम का account बनाया, and they'll just take my profile picture like from a website and then they'll post it there. And since it's an old account, वो account से they'll report me for impersonating that account.
Oh.
Oh yeah, same.
Shit.
Yeah, and then it takes time for Instagram to sometimes, get back to you. Like you need to write some formal emails, you need to spam those formal emails, then maybe they'll get back to you.
But why they didn't get back to you?
I don't know. Maybe I was
You were not formal
unlovable.
enough.
But
Yes.
this is like, I mean, for the like, I feel the content space is growing at a very rapid pace.
Exponential, yeah, 100%.
And like this conversation needs to go out to a lot of people who are trying to make it as a content creator, as a career. That's
True.
what I'm talking about. So like the WTF podcast mein Naz, if you know Naz.
Absolutely not.
So he told me, he was talking about how a person can be a content creator and something.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? Like if you're a doctor and a content creator,
That's
not
me.
just a content creator. You are just a content creator. That's
Yeah.
what I'm guessing. And a student.
Yeah, obviously. Huh.
So I mean, there is no stability now.
True.
One day you know, so many people know you. and the
Yeah,
other day
your
you're just-
nudes can get leaked immediately and
Are
you're
we talking
done.
about Drake?
What? Yeah, I'm talking
So
about.
about Drake in the last podcast.
I'm talking about
We
Drake.
are
I'm-
talking about Drake in every podcast now.
Okay,
We
sorry.
need to bring him.
No, what? And his meat, third leg. Okay, so what I was saying is, yeah. Wait, now that we're talking about Drake, I also
No, I
want to
don't
talk
talk
about.
Drake.
Okay, we're not talking about Drake, but I also want to talk about sexual awareness. If you guys are having sex with your partner, try not to record it. I get it, it's hot and intimidating, but what if it gets out? What if I get to see it? I don't mind, but what if other people get to see it? So yeah, just try not to record it. And if you're recording it, record it on a fucking like vintage camera.
Handicam.
Yeah.
I'm
Like,
looking for one.
Why did you
Aesthetics.
say handicap?
Handicam.
Oh,
Cam.
okay, yeah.
Aesthetics
bad.
should not.
Yeah, true.
But this looks like you're
Like
speaking
sex score.
speaking from experience or something.
No, but it's like
You have some genuine concern about
yeah,
it.
genuine concern because every time I open Twitter now, it's just like some or the other famous person gets leaked
Why is that happening? Why do you think?
because their partners are obviously leaking it. One of them is obviously leaking it.
So don't
Like
record
if
yourself.
I am having sex with a girl and we both are recording it, it has to be one of us who just bails us out, right? कि हाँ बहनचोद देखो sex किया.
So do you think you are a kind of person who will leak it out?
No, absolutely not.
Dick bench sex kiya.
Nah,
How do you prove that credibility?
I have never had sex.
That's like
That's a very honest
very
answer. Let's
very
respect that.
yeah, very good and honest answer, I think.
Is your mom watching it? That's why.
No, even though she isn't, like I just want to make it very clear to my future wife, I haven't had sex
Yet.
yet.
You're still 18 though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's also one thing.
I mean,
True.
good boy. So yeah, we're talking about the uncertainty in the content space. So yes, so like how many like people did you have on board back then?
Okay, I had 180K on my old account.
Fuck bro.
Yeah, bro. Fuck, bro.
Yeah, bhai. Matlab, that is
Yeah, and I
crazy.
lost it. And at that time, I had also shaved my head because the same like girl, hinge girl, and everything. Okay, that's wait. We'll get there later. Yeah, but I had shaved my head and everything was like so fucking sad for me. Ki ab bencho karu kya? But then I realized, oh, I'm a student. I can study. Account thodi na koi lega.
Then
So-
you realize that you're a student. Before that,
No. I knew I was a student, but I realized that I did not lose anything. Like digital presence is okay, good, but like it got into my head ki it can go anytime. That's when I
Yeah,
realized ki
exactly.
kabhi bhi chale jayega. It's just a moment of who's speaking, who's not. Aisa.
So do you think you have like your perspective towards the whole content thing that you do right now has changed? Maybe you're not taking it more seriously.
No, it hasn't. I just do it. I used to do it for attention. I still do it for attention.
Got it.
Yeah.
still like
I
what-
am on 6 or 5 dating apps. Now I'm just on Hinge. Okay, verified. So that's me.
so still you hate it.
Yeah, but it's okay, right? Like I've just accepted it. Like
Okay.
I think there will be a time within the next 2-3 months where I'm completely off of like every dating app because I'm on a detox as well. But yeah.
So,
what,
like-
what do you use more? A dating app or Instagram?
Oh, Duolingo.
I want to ask, like, since have you ever met someone in real life, like IRL?
A lot, obviously.
How's the experience how's the experience different from dating apps in real life?
A lot different because like when you meet someone IRL, I think as a guy you have the upper hand. Very toxic, I know, but on dating apps it's always the girls, like they get likes,
Yeah.
right? On when it's IRL situation and you know for a fact that oh maybe you can still pull better than this girl, but you're still hitting on that girl. I think, see, I'm sorry to the female audience watching this, but the guy always, like most of the times, has the upper hand when it comes to IRL approaching girls.
So where did you approach girls in IRL?
The most random places, you name it.
Most random place.
Just name it.
Metro.
Okay. Yeah.
What do you say? Like, how do you approach them?
Okay. So firstly, it's about
Let's
eye
suppose I'm a
contact.
girl.
Okay. Yeah. So
That's easy.
yeah. Okay. So let's say I see you at a metro station, right?
Okay.
I'll look at you 2-3 times, obviously, because checking out,
Okay.
right? Fine. Don't cancel me. And I'll see if you're looking at me as well.
I'm looking.
Yeah. Then the first time you're looking and the second time you try to look at me, that's when I'm already like next to you.
Okay.
Because I don't
Next
want
to me.
you to think कि अरे ये बेंचो बस देख ही रहा है.
Creep.
हाँ, creep cheese साला, बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Be a man. So the second time we're like holding decent eye contact, that's when I come up to you and say just, oh, nice dress. Oh, I think you're really pretty. Like I just do it so that I can get used to rejection.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't even be wanting the girl sometimes. I'll just be like,
if you want to get used to rejection, you can like
Do sales call, bro.
no, not even
See-
sales call. Just go and ask for rickshaws in Bombay.
Yeah, true.
They reject you more than girls.
but I think when you get rejected by the opposite gender, that's like the peak of rejection. Like sales calls, maa ki choot, nahi farak padta.
What are you preparing for?
Me?
Yeah.
I want to become a surgeon.
So you go to girls and get rejected.
Yeah.
Become a surgeon.
No. That's for
That's not agenda of
self-confidence.
his
That's
life, bro.
completely personal.
Right.
Okay, so like after that,
Good attempt of making me feel less.
after that, let's suppose you said you are really pretty. Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
You are also cute.
And then I'll obviously, since we're going in the metro, I'll ask you where you're going off. And I'll like your same. And then we'll get off.
And then,
And then I'll drop you and then I'll catch another metro.
so you won't like get her Instagram or.
Oh
phone
yeah,
number.
obviously. It depends on how she smells. Like this is a very important thing for me. So obviously if we're close enough, like metro mein ek seat बाजू mein बैठे hai, and if you smell decent, yes. If you don't, I'm sorry, I'm out. I cannot bear body odor, please.
Nice. And let's suppose you got the number now.
Now what? I wait 2-3 hours and then I drop a text. Yo, what's up?
And then you start a conversation.
Yeah, or most likely, okay, so this is the thing that I did last time. Wow, this is how I've become. So I met this girl at the metro and I got her number and then I texted her the metro station ka naam.
Acha.
Yeah, and it worked. We started talking.
So basically you recall the value. वहाँ पे
Yeah, कि हाँ यहाँ मिले थे.
It's a good way actually. I used to do the same.
Damn.
Metro is the spot.
No, not metro. Any random place. For me, it was.
Why did you do it?
I was also like
Attention
singing.
seeker.
Still,
Huh.
हाँ. So I met someone at a grocery store.
Okay.
She was
So
pretty.
you texted her pav bhaji.
No, I texted her brown
Lauki.
rice.
Brinjal. Blocked.
She was pretty, and I just did the same thing you did.
Yeah,
When we
damn.
talked about what are you buying, what are you buying.
Who's pretty? Matlab, who's pretty for you? How do you define like?
Khushi Kapoor. But natural. See, I realized कि Bollywood is, you know, way too dissolved now कि किसी का बच्चा ही बच्चा कुछ बन रहा है. So now I can make fun of everyone. I like Salman Khan. I love you, bhai. Like, if I get a cigarette from him, that's the only time I'll smoke. Otherwise, I won't.
Okay.
Yeah. But anyways, my type is Khushi Kapoor, but natural. Anna Hathaway. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Respectable. Got it.
See,
And
see.
for you, bro? Grocery store wali auntie.
Yeah. Auntie. Scanner.
Auntie.
Toot.
She was not auntie. She was very cute, pretty girl. I'm like short-headed. Choti.
Short-headed.
Damn, bro. That's
Note that down, bro.
That's a preference again.
Short-headed.
Choti height ki.
That may be
Cutesy.
That should be
Specs.
from your end. Short-headed.
Funny.
Wrong word. My bad.
Yes.
Yeah. So you are from Bombay.
Yeah. Matlab, I'm Gujarati, but
Are you
obviously.
from Gujarat?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Like, my parents are from Gujarat.
Where?
Patan. I don't know if you would know.
I've stayed in Gujarat for like 9 years.
Yeah, damn. And still
I
don't know
still don't
Patan.
know.
That's funny.
But yeah.
So, like, do you prefer staying in Gujarat or Bombay?
For now, I would like to stay away from my parents. Mummy, I can explain. See, I think as a content creator, okay, now I'm speaking from the 180K account and this account perspective, ki I've seen too much, and I think there are times when I need to go and socialize. Like, there are times when I need to go and fucking network, okay? Like,
Okay.
that's the word I'm using for now. So, my parents don't let me. That's how I'm opening up in this podcast. Yeah, so that's why I would say ki I would like to stay away from them. Even if it's in Gujarat, I'm fine. But Gujarat mein kya networking karunga? Yeah, no, Mumbai better.
Okay. So, you like Mumbai
Yeah,
At the moment.
at the moment?
yeah, sure.
But do you really, bro, Gujarat is very peaceful. I personally love. I don't like to party and shit, so I love.
Oh yeah, then it's
Peaceful.
obviously, yeah, it's preference, dude.
Do you like to party?
Yeah, 100%.
Bro, that is
Yeah.
Have you
Yes.
found a good girl in a club?
Oh, never. I don't do this anymore.
Okay, you used to do it.
No. Boo. Because, okay, now think about it this way. I did it a few times and then it hit me. If a girl is ready to, maybe make out or have sex with you in a club, there are multiple guys she's ready to do it with. So that just shows her worth and your worth at the same time. कि तू है जो ये इसके साथ सेक्स करेगा और ये तेरे साथ करेगी. So it just promotes the whole degenerate mindset, I guess. I mean, for someone who uses Hinge, I shouldn't say this, but still, you get the idea, right?
So, since you told us about your experience through Hinge and how you shaved your head for a girl,
Yeah. Not for a girl, for myself to realize ki, oh, matlab,
Bro, it feels crazy.
yeah, it feels crazy.
I did
Like,
that
have you
too.
done it?
Yeah,
No?
I did that
no,
too.
I would never do it.
See,
Why?
exactly.
Oh, it's crazy, bro. I did it in 12th.
Yeah, same. I was also in 12th, right? Like, I got done with my 12th.
Yeah, I was in 12th. I was like, मैं घर के बाहर ही निकलूंगा, ऐसे शर्म आएगी तो पढ़ लूंगा घर पे. That was my intention, but it was crazy, bro. You feel like a different person.
You feel humbled.
Yeah, you feel humbled. That's a real thing.
सुंदरता गायब भैंचो अब क्या? Now it's all about your personality. It's all about how you can make stuff.
Good perspective to know.
No,
Yes.
It actually like helps to ground you.
Okay. We will
But-
talk about shaving heads before afterwards. But like after that experience, like how did you felt? Like
Okay.
Confused,
First of all,
hurt.
how did you feel?
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
वापस बोलना है?
No,
नहीं, ठीक है,
no.
कोई
This is in the podcast. Yes, this is staying.
Okay.
Then you'll maybe realize why you need to shave your head. Anyways.
Good one.
Nice.
How did you feel?
After what? Shaving my head?
No, after that whole incident.
Which one?
Which one exactly?
The hinge one.
Okay, after the girl left, I did not feel empty because I immediately went back to Hinge. Okay, this sounds stupid, but this is copium, right? But when the Hinge thing ended, like matlab, got boring for me again, like the dopamine went down, I was like, oh fuck, now what?
Who's gonna shower love on me?
Yeah, who's gonna bite my biceps? Because like I spoke to so many
Is that
girls.
your type?
What? No.
Is that a kink?
No.
Will you bite my biceps?
Okay,
I will
so
only-
Left.
Opening line for guys. Will you bite my bicep?
so basically, like for the next 2 months, I was trying to find her and other girls. Does that make sense?
Oh,
Yeah.
absolutely.
But koi kuch bol raha hi nahi hai, and I was just getting bored. And then I realized ki, oh wait, what if I try to talk to her again? What if I try to make things good for
Wow.
us?
Nah, bro.
I did that.
Great move. Best ever move.
I did that. Did not work, and that's when I shaved
Like
my
so,
head.
for how long did you guys talk?
And not talk included.
Yeah, like in total.
11 months.
Talk and not talk. So,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
knew each other.
So we started. Okay, if I say the date, it would be way too,
Obvious.
No.
For some people.
Despo. कि वैसे जो तारीख याद है.
तो क्या?
Yeah, but we
अब तो पता
started.
चल गया.
तो पता चल गया. It's okay, bro.
But we started.
Be a lover boy.
Shush. But we started talking March 20 end में, ठीक है? बस नहीं बताना. Okay, and we broke contact this month. What? Wait,
February.
it's 24th, right? Yeah, I think it's been like a week and a half.
So you guys are not talking now.
No, I am.
Not at
She's
all.
dead to me.
Okay, she's dead
Yeah.
to you now. So how do you feel about it?
Good. Om Shanti Om.
So are you like not hurt about this?
No, because now I've gained that self-respect कि oh बहनचो ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए मुझे.
Hmm.
Like when I know, when I haven't, okay, sorry to my followers watching, but if I know that I can pull,
Better.
yeah, not better, if I can pull, okay, why did I say not? Yeah, if I know I can pull better, okay, why would I not like have the self-respect to let go of one person who doesn't want me in the first place?
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So like पूरे 11 महीने में were you like very desperate and clingy towards that whole thing?
No, fuck no.
No.
Fuck no, no. Like when we would talk on text, 100% I was like, ठीक है, you just say the word and I'll cut off every single girl that I've been, like वैसे नजरिए में, I will just cut them off immediately. You just say the word that, oh, I want to be with you. But she
Okay.
did not say it. She just said multiple things that were not related. And
What did she say?
the distance. Okay, see, I think distance is related, I guess, to being in a
Okay, since she's
relationship.
in
Yeah.
USA.
I'm not gonna say where she is. No.
Okay. Some country.
Yeah, she's in some country. So basically, she was thinking कि oh ये सब है ना नहीं होता. ऐसे long distance नहीं होता. Boo, L. ठीक है. And she would also think कि Bollywood movies are way too delusional. Even though I never brought up Bollywood movies, she would just say कि oh Lakshman, you're being way too filmy about this.
Okay.
I mean, maybe I was, but ठीक है ना यार. What's wrong with being filmy?
yeah.
Yeah,
we all
चलता
are.
है.
ठीक है.
Do you
समझा.
think कि-
Yeah.
Do you think?
This is so funny.
Do you think कि like the way as you said कि you realize कि bro, I have self-respect and I have better-
Bitches.
I
Yeah.
did not say that.
I did not say that either.
But like you can pull more and better.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So do you think that thought process of like this thought process is of a lot of people now, a lot of guys. Thought, not actualness.
Of a lot of guys.
Yeah. Ki bro, I have a lot of options now. Like on social media, I can see so many bitches. Mom
Cheeks.
watches these.
Yeah, I think
Sorry.
yes. I think a lot of guys have this perspective now, but
Okay.
it's just a matter of fact.
But
bro.
do you think because of that perspective, relationships have been
have been
fucked?
yes
Hollow.
hollow,
Hollow.
very hollow. I think internet is the cause for everything. Like if you're chronically, I'll say that again. If you're chronically online and then you want a partner, there's a very good chance that the internet will, try to fill your head up with insecurities.
Yeah.
Like even though it'll give you date ideas and everything, there will be one reel that you come across that will just make you think about your past relationship. That's why it's a little fucked up.
It is absolutely fucked.
Do you think the whole Gen Z people like
Yes.
how we are fucked up?
Yes, 100%. But it's okay to be fucked up. That's fine. Because
Why?
whether
Why is it okay to be
Why?
fucked up?
Matlab it is for a day or two, sure. Or like a lifestyle? I don't think so.
As a lifestyle, it's absolutely wrong, but depends on what you're calling fucked up. If you're calling relationships fucked up, then it's bad, of course. But I am talking in the sense ki, you know, okay, might sound way too pick me of me, way too attention seeking of me, but creativity comes from trauma. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
True.
Okay.
Bhai, my whole
Debatable.
career has
There are different
built
See, that's
on
attention
that.
seeking.
Yeah,
Like
fuck it.
different
Yeah, it
creativities
is.
out there. Not all of them.
Yeah. No. So, yeah, obviously you're a filmmaker, so it's different from you, for you, I guess, maybe.
Okay.
And very
Maybe.
different for me.
Yeah. You can write scripts. I can just put it
Haan.
out there.
Yeah. Oh, movie ban rahi hai.
Bro, we will.
Yeah, but point being, I think the more trauma, the more creativity, the more, you know, discoveries, I guess. But if you think about personal life, right? Like, I'm talking not like now one person. अभी तो मैं बहनचो पूरी देश की बात कर रहा हूँ कि देश पूरा पागल है, तो बहुत discoveries हो रही है. Yeah. Now I'm talking personal, like per person. Then it's very fucked up. Because, first of all, relationships fucked up होता है, right? Like we talked about.
Okay.
It has like अब वो fuck up हो गए. Fuck
Because
up.
of people
Because of so
assuming
many-
that they have too many options.
Yeah.
Yeah.
पहले नहीं था bro. पहले हमारे
पे-
mom dad, नाना नानी and all that.
भाई
हाँ,
पहले
वो तो कुछ नहीं था.
हाँ,
bro.
बात
एक-
करने के लिए
एक
चिट्ठियां
बार-
भेजते थे
Yes,
भाई.
bro.
Options
That was
छोड़ो
fucking
भाई.
amazing, भाई.
And at that time, I think it was easy to like get over someone as well. कि भाई तुमने.
Oh, absolutely not.
It was
Yeah,
easy.
No.
Easy.
It was easy.
How can you say it was easy if you know that you had just one girl and तुम्हारे पास options नहीं है and the one girl is gone? How are you
But
going
you're
to get
not
over that
shoved
fact?
with 1,000 other women. on
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, so no,
Dear
dude.
Lakshman, the getting more girls is not the only way
But
to
I mean,
move on.
that's what I'm saying. That is the perspective now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
उनके लिए उस टाइम पे it would be कि so like ऐसे मेरे को अकेलापन चाहिए.
Dude, listen. Okay, मैं तुझे एक चीज बताता हूँ. ऐसे perspective से, okay? I am not objectifying women. Please don't cancel me. Let's say you have one gold chain, okay? ठीक है? And that one gold chain gets fucking robbed back in those days. ठीक है? You're fucked. You'll cry about it, you'll moan about it, you'll try to find that gold chain back and everything, right? But now if you lose a gold chain, you'll obviously cry about it for a while, right? Because gold chain बेंचो चली गई, ठीक है? Because gold की value फिर भी है. But now you know कितनी सारी jewelers है. You can just get the very fucking similar gold chain back.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now, I think moving on is easy than it was back then. 100%.
I disagree.
I also disagree.
Like I think पहले जब social media नहीं होता था तो तुम्हारे पास access ही नहीं होता था.
I mean,
To
you could
go
you
back.
could think about it, bro. Abhi, you don't have the fucking time to think about because you're flooded with so much randomness.
Okay, now this is also a perspective thing.
That's what we are talking about.
Yeah. Because abhi if you break up and if you don't think about what just happened, like your entire relationship, like months of efforts, it's just vanishing away. And if you think about it, then it's sad for you to get over it. But if you're not thinking about it and you immediately just go to these jeweler shops or ek aur bencho chain le li, then it's different. No?
Not really, यार. I mean, पहले भी
See,
jeweler
समझ नहीं आया.
Another example.
पहले भी ज्वेलर शॉप्स थी, but उसमें लोग जाते नहीं थे. लोगों को वो चेन घूमी, दुख हुआ, move on. That is all.
कोई
They won't go to another jeweler shop to get one more.
हाँ, by destiny if they meet
It
someone
was
they
a
meet.
perspective back then to be like this. It should be, still it should be, I would believe.
But now
But
it
it's
is
not.
difficult
No.
because
Okay, another example. Look at the music. Okay. पहले बहचो म्यूजिक होता था. लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए. Now this is a bar. ठीक है?
That's fact.
Yeah, and abhi ka music, you name 3 songs that actually are about fucking breaking up and you know a man, you know, just crying about stuff.
There are.
there are
Name
there are
3
a lot of
songs. Name 3 songs. Just
I
3
haven't
songs.
listened to that song, but there are a lot of.
बेख्याली one.
Like, my friend is someone who writes like a breakup wale songs. He's doing good.
No, you're not getting it.
Please make us understand.
It's very obvious. I don't know how. I think you
Fuck
should
the
do.
gold chain.
Yeah, fuck the gold chain. But you should do like a poll actually on this. That's what I believe. Ki,
See, exactly.
is moving on easier right now, or
Or it
was
was-
it easier back then?
See, this is exactly the
Okay,
thing.
we have a CTA.
This is
People watching this, we want you to comment on this podcast or reel short, whatever you're watching.
You can do that. Absolutely.
Yeah,
But what
that-
my point is, now you can ask people to do that for you. Pehle, no one gave a fuck if you broke up or not. Just break up and move on. Now you have the option to have people tell you if this is right or wrong. You know what I mean about from all of this?
Yeah, so see, you just proved my point. If you have someone right now, then it's very easy to move on. Like, you'll talk to someone and they'll make
I
you.
didn't say move on. Abhi wale ke time mein you have a lot of opinions on you. To
Yeah,
decide if what you want to do.
Exactly, and you have a lot of opinions. You listen to what you makes you feel good about yourself and the relationship ending, and then you move on.
I mean, we can talk about it a lot, but
But for now, we'll get back to Hinge.
And I win this topic, by the way. I win this argument.
we'll cut this out.
Okay.
Mute him. So yeah,
Hinge.
Hinge.
What
Like-
about it?
After that experience of yours,
Yeah, I had another one.
Is there something else apart from Hinge that you use? Maybe a calculator, maybe some other app that you want to talk about also?
That fucked me up mentally.
Yeah.
Oh,
Not really, you can talk about.
no, I don't think. Oh yeah, Duolingo. I love that app. Thanks. I am open to sponsors. Anyways,
What is that?
Duolingo. You don't know the fuck?
Duolingo is basically
He's from Chandigarh, by the way. Makes a lot of sense. Yeah.
bro just slammed all the North Indians.
Explain. now.
Duolingo is an app which you download to learn more than one language. So if you know Hindi, you install the app, you learn English. And if you know English and you want to learn some other foreign language, Japanese, Spanish, Greek, French, whatever, then you can learn that.
Why would I want to?
Why not?
I want to stay in India forever.
Yeah, then good for you.
That's why I don't have. Yeah.
Yeah,
Stop-
good for you. But then you need to
stop
learn Tamil
fight.
as well, right?
No.
Why?
I
You
will stay in Chandigarh.
you're racist?
I didn't say that.
Then why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you?
Bye, guys. We don't have to fight, please.
Bengali, bro.
Oh, Balo Bachi. Okay.
Like coming back to Hinge for 1000 time. Like after that experience, did you have any other experience?
Thank you for that. Yeah, I did. I had another experience. Actually, hold on, let's think. Yeah, I had one more experience like that.
But you said you stopped talking to her like a week ago.
Yeah, so what? I told you, right? Like that was contact, no contact, contact, no
Okay, on
contact.
and off,
Yeah,
on and
yeah.
off,
It
on
was
and off.
very on and off wala situation. We did not speak for 4 months in between as well.
Okay.
Okay. Anyways, the first girl is dealt with. Okay. Now we move on to the second girl. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is the experience that I want to talk about, and I learned a lot from it. So the girl was from Indore. Okay, and she came to Mumbai multiple times a month. Okay, because her parents had work, तो वो माँ बाप के साथ आ जाती थी.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, and she was on Hinge. We match, we speak on calls, ठीक है, and 3 months of talking on calls, okay, constantly, like FaceTime पे बातें, गप्पे शप्पे लड़ा रहे. We decide कि she's coming in August, ये time पे आ रही है, तो we'll plan an entire day out because that's all we get, right? So during that day, I go to the mall, okay, at 8 in the morning, okay, just because I wanted it to be like very special for her, so I go to like Subway. Fair. There was this movie ke liye also we were gonna go. So I paid all the bills beforehand. Okay, so you know it looks cool कि मैं जो बस लेके चल दिया बंदा. You know badass
Too
लगे.
masculine.
हाँ exactly.
Yeah.
भले
Chivalry.
भले brand deals के पैसे नहीं आ रहे, बंदे ने ये कर दिया. ठीक है, so I do that and then I'm waiting. Okay, and I call her. She's not picking up. 6 घंटे I'm at the mall.
Fuck, bro.
6 घंटे I'm at the mall. She does not respond to anything. Okay, and then I just go home. Like I cry on my way to the metro. Like, so Mumbai metro is U shape, not Mumbai but Andheri wala metro. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक I'm completely crying like proper. ठीक है, and it was fucking raining as well. So it was just cherry on cake. ठीक है, and 3 दिन बाद the girl sends me a message saying कि okay, so her parents are doctors. Okay, fuck, I did not want to say that, but yeah. So she said कि उसकी मम्मी के phone में charge खत्म हो गया था. So her mother took her phone and lost it in the hospital for 3 days. Now it was very difficult for me to buy this story, right?
I mean, the fact that Oh, continue.
Yeah, so she said that, and I was like, you could have done a lot of things to get in touch with me. You could have called me, maybe. If you did not have my number, you could have emailed me. You could have just done something. She had my address as well. She could have just done something about it to make me know ki, oh, you know,
Alive.
she's not ghost. No, it wasn't about alive. It was about me getting ghosted or not. Okay. So I was confused ki, yaar, what the fuck? And then I was like, okay, theek hai. And I did the same thing that I did last time. I immediately went back to Hinge. No. This is not funny. Like, it is funny now, but like, I immediately went back to Hinge. I matched with this girl, and we started talking. And like, immediate booty call chahiye tha mujhe because I was about to like throw tantrums in my house. ठीक है? Like, it got that fucked up for me. So I go to meet this girl, but that girl also ghosts me. Like, okay, so at this point, I think I'm the problem. And I post a story about it on my main account. Okay. And she sees that story and she thinks he's seeing other girls besides me. And that I have been doing this since the 3 months ka span as well.
The girl who
yeah.
ghosted you.
Yeah.
Okay.
She thinks कि ये 3 महीने से भी यही कर रहा रहेगा, बस मुझे पता नहीं होगा. And now he just spoke about it because I did not text him or whatever. And then we stopped talking. 3 weeks later, I'm like, okay, fuck, I think I need to get back to her. I need to like communicate stuff and everything. And she tells me she's dating this guy.
Within 3 weeks.
Yeah, within 3 weeks.
Oh.
Yeah, very fucked.
From Hinge?
No, I don't know, but they live very close.
So you guys are still in touch?
No, fuck no contact immediately.
Blocked?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
She blocked me, but yeah, no contact.
So by this time, since you had so many experiences, do you think you are the problem?
Sometimes, yes, obviously.
What is the
Nobody's
problem?
perfect. I think I've been free and like I just have time, okay? Like I'm in my drop year era, right? So I just have a lot of time on my phone. So when I text somebody immediately, they think I'm desperate. And then they do the whole कि वो 6 घंटा बात नहीं करूँगी, फिर बात करूँगी. And मैं 6 घंटे बाद वापस reply दे देता हूँ तुरंत. So they just think कि ये बच्चों पागल है. He's desperate. He hasn't never touched a woman in his entire life.
Which is a fact.
No. It's not. ठीक है, I have never had sex though. Let me remind you.
That is actual touching, I feel.
No.
No.
Have you ever held hands?
Yeah.
झूठा. सच्ची.
हाँ भाई.
Damn. So that's touching a woman.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like from this conversation, like touching seemed a bit more.
No. Touching. हाँ ठीक है.
So do you think like how our generation plays games around these timing thing कि हैंचो जिसने मुझे 15 मिनट में
इसमें
टेक्स्ट
पूरा
किया
बहुत
है
time waste होता है in my opinion. It's
हाँ.
just waste of fucking time and self-respect and energy.
और उसमें उसके बाद you will reply her back after 3 hours and in those 3 hours you will just think about her.
I don't know.
Is
man.
this a personal experience that you're talking about? Her thing?
Yeah, it
वाह,
sounded very, you know.
Spot on.
हाँ क्यों ऐसे ये
यार,
3
कल ही
घंटा
सोच
3
रहा था।
घंटा सोचा.
Like you know you want to reply her like very fast कि बहन जो text आया मैं अभी reply कर दूँ, but still you are like since the type of people we are we wait like
Who are
अगर
we?
Not me.
Not me.
I'm out.
I'm
okay
also-
me
Yeah. So why do you think you are like this?
again self-respect. She will think that he has touched supposed
He's
before.
desperate. Yeah, makes sense. But at the same time, I just make it very evident. Like I have my private account. वहाँ पे I make it very evident कि texting is the purpose of having social media for me at least. So if you're texting me and I'm available, of course I'll text back immediately. Like I don't want to do that bullshit कि वो 6 घंटे बाद, because there are times when I've not responded to people for days just because I keep this self-respect का thing कि oh भाई अब नहीं देना reply. So I've
Yeah,
lost
it is done
people
by
as
a lot
well.
of people till now. Not
Yeah,
just
including
girls
me.
or guys, whatever. Just in general to show कि bro, I don't have time for you right now.
Like
Busy
even if
you.
you are the most villa person in this world, still you'll be like have tantrums like I will only reply after 15 hours. Fuck you.
No, I don't do that. I wish I did that. Would have had a lot of options right now.
Oh, abundance.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Nice. So if you get a like very perfect girl, like what's your type in girls?
I told you Anne Hathaway, 100%. Okay, so
Talk
okay.
about Bombay.
Bombay.
Yeah.
Oh,
You won't
Khushi Kapoor.
But natural.
Yeah.
Okay.
From your following.
Huh?
From your following.
Have you ever
I follow Minecraft. That's it. I don't follow anybody else.
Is it?
Yeah, I just follow
You
Minecraft.
play
Why?
Minecraft?
Yeah, a lot.
Like yesterday, bro. Hardcore. I lost badly.
I want to ask. मैं भूल गया मैं क्या पूछने वाला था.
Minecraft याद करते हैं, bro.
Yes, sir.
Let's fucking go. Now we're talking.
Yeah, so I follow Minecraft just because, you know, I want to see how many influencers have that ego in them. They'll follow me knowing that I won't follow them back because I just follow Minecraft. I want to see how many ego barriers can I break. And it's very evident. Like some people are texting me, like in my DM request, they text me, but they don't follow me because they know
That you won't follow back.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's fun. It's like edging influencers.
But do you think that is enough?
What?
Like not having them follow you back.
I don't give a fuck. Like I said, I do it for attention, and they are the attention deprived people as well.
As well.
Yeah, exactly. So उनसे attention लेके मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला.
सही है. मेरा एक बहुत ही निजी सवाल है.
जी.
Like
Can't wait.
If you find this perfect girl right now,
Yes.
in a week or two,
Yeah.
like your type, smells good, natural,
Smells good, natural,
Anna
good.
Hathaway, Khushi Kapoor,
हाँ, कर ले bro.
full ऐसे. Imagine.
Mm.
So like, and she's also like very nice personality. हाँ, कि ऐसे तैसा games नहीं खेल रही.
Yeah, understood.
6 घंटे
Yeah,
ignore कर रही.
yeah.
ठीक है, very
Communicative.
हाँ, communicative, understanding.
Yeah.
With good emotional quotient, everything.
Yeah.
सब ठीक है. So like, would you seriously date her?
100%. She would be the second girl I follow. I'm telling you right now. If she,
Girl you follow.
yeah, she would be the second person I follow from my account. But again, depends if she likes the attention or not. Like, no, but if she's my type, I don't think she would, you know,
Want to
have,
follow.
yeah, exactly. She'd be like, ठीक है यार.
ठीक है. अभी भी Minecraft.
बच्चा.
So like what is the age group of girls you have been with?
Oh, please, let's not get there.
Let's please get there.
Okay, so
That was enough to get.
yeah. And no, it's fine because I was a minor back then when I was with somebody who was younger than me.
So, are you a minor above 18 or after?
Under 18, you're a minor.
Under 18.
Yeah.
So you're not a minor anymore.
No.
Congratulations.
Yes, thank you. So I would say anything 2 years below and 2 years above is fine. I'm sorry. That's gonna get. Yeah.
But did your parents have any issue with you doing like the content that you do?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. They don't like me cussing. So that's why, you know, I try to not cuss. But sometimes I just need to do what I need to do. Cuss.
Like, did
Benchor.
their opinion on this particular aspect change after you start making money off of cussing?
No, did not. They don't care about money. They care more about the societal image ki, oh, bhai, beta gaali kyun de raha hai?
Is that fucked?
Like,
Yeah, very fucked.
do your relatives watch your videos?
Yeah, they do. Oh my god. It's very annoying.
Okay, so like, do they tease you कि तू तो बहनचोद बोलता है वीडियो में?
Okay, very recent incident. Okay, हमारी society में एक बच्चा है. He says me, hi Lakshman bhaiya, every time he sees me. ठीक है. Then I'm walking with this one girl. Okay, like just friend. ठीक है. We're
Not
walking.
from Hinge.
Yes, we're walking in our society and he's like, hi bhaiya, and I say hi. क्योंकि भाई हाय बोला है बच्चे ने तो मैं भी हाय बोलूंगा.
Sweet.
Then he comes to me again and says आपका नाम क्या है? And I understood कि लड़की देख के वो कूद रहा है. So I just tell him कि देख भाई, I grab his arm like this बहुत जोर से, ठीक है. मैं उसको बोलता हूँ तेरी माँ चोद दूंगा. The first thing I say to him is this, ठीक है. He's barely 10 years old, okay, and this is what I tell him. And then I tell him कि देख मैं समझता हूँ दीदी को देख के उछल रहा है, मैं भी उछलता हूँ but थोड़ा लिमिट में, ठीक है. ये कोई तरीका नहीं है बात करने का, okay. And then he also made fun of my content. He said something that I won't say because then it's disrespectful to me. But he said something, ठीक है. 2 राउंड मारे हमने and then I just ऐसे पकड़ा फिर मैंने उसे और बोला कि देख भाई ऐसे नहीं बात करते, ठीक है. And then 11:30 को he calls his parents. 11:30 को his parents call me saying कि how dare you assault my kid. Assault was the word used. तो मैं भैंचो भड़क गया और मैं उनके घर चले गया. And then we just talk things out. But yeah, like I get this comment a lot on my content. Ki, you're so cringe, you're so unfunny. It's fucking stupid, dude.
भाई when he said मैं उसके घर चला गया.
तेरी माँ चोद दूंगा, yes. अभी.
On my way.
Right now.
But what do you think is like the future of this?
Future of
for
what?
you? For like from Instagram or whatever dating thing that you're doing?
I think I'll be the greatest stand-up comedian after anybody. Who's
Tell
before
me a joke.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Turns down my volume.
No, it's
Okay.
full now.
Okay. See, now it's weird telling a joke, then you guys won't laugh. You'll resist the laugh, but still, I'll say it again. Okay. I hate Bihari people, okay?
Why?
Yeah. See, like, my neighbor is Bihari and I have a problem with her. Otherwise, I'm fine, okay? I would marry a Bihari. Hell yeah, bro. Blow job ke pehle gutka thuk rahi hai. That's like free loop for life. That's like the perfect cherry on cake. Yeah, that's my joke. Haha, that's been my time. You guys have been a lovely audience. Okay, that's getting cut, please.
No.
Huh?
We need to see ना bro. बिहार में ही पहुंचना चाहिए.
True. Haters har jagah chahiye.
Exactly.
But yes, what is the future?
Yeah, like I said, greatest stand-up comedian of all time.
What are you doing about it?
Writing and performing.
So you're performing? Have you performed somewhere?
I perform in Habitat a lot. Every open mic, every alternate open mic. I'm lazy.
Do you post about it?
No, I don't because
Yeah.
I chase perfection.
Oh.
That's nice.
Yeah. Because I don't want those stupid ass 11, 12-year-olds to comment on my reel. Ki, Arey bhai, funny guy. And then I reply to them, ki, Arey, pant khol ke dekh le apni. I don't want to do that.
And you are. At the moment.
Yeah.
You are doing this at the moment, but you want to change that.
What?
The commenting pant wale.
Yeah.
What-
I just
what-
don't want people to comment in the first place, dude. Just shut up. Like,
Turn off.
yeah. No. I
फिर
want...
engagement नहीं आती ना
No, it's not even about engagement. Fuck that, bro. Because if people know you're funny, then they don't, they just straight up follow you. They text you, ki, Arey, you're very funny. Do you want to do a show for us? Good. See, this is exactly what I want. But ye vencho retards aa gaye hai.
Do you think doing content on all of this will help your stand-up career,
It will help me
Comedian.
build a big base audience 100%.
yeah.
Okay.
So,
Like if I do my first show, my first tour, then I think my real audience is the only one who's gonna show up.
and when is that going to happen?
I was planning to do one on 29th February because leap year, why not? But I realized I'm lacking a few things. So yeah.
Maybe some other day.
All the best, bro.
Thanks,
Looking
yeah.
forward to that. Genuinely. For real, why? Yeah.
funny
Minecraft
to hai.
comedy.
Very nice.
Sahi. So, like, since you mentioned you want to be a surgeon
And a comedian, yes.
and a comedian, how those?
How is that gonna work? Funny
Yeah,
surgeon.
yeah. Funny surgeon. Like,
Hey, nah, leave it.
ए इसका दिल निकालूंगा अरे कितना छोटा है
Hey, fuck, गोटी घूम गई.
अरे इसकी तो है ही नहीं
अरे.
But yeah, how is that?
How's
gonna
that
work?
gonna work?
Surgeon and stand-up.
Okay, so 2 years of pre-med, right? Pre-med is very...
What are you studying at the moment?
I'm studying nothing. But
Drop,
then I'll go to college.
bro
Yeah.
is a dropper.
College for?
Pre-med, 2 saal.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is pre-med?
Pre-med is American education system. Mein pre-med is basically the NEET ka preparation is what I would call
okay.
that. Okay, then you give MCAT and then you get into a medical school.
Okay.
Okay. So pre-med is very onku punku. Okay. Chindi. Okay. So my plan is I'm 1 week ahead of school. Okay. Like college. Okay. I keep my stuff ready for college. जब भी कुछ मांगे मैं पहनचो दे दूँ. And while I'm ahead of it, I work on my comedy as well. And then maybe twice or thrice every month, I go to the city side. I perform. I see how my jokes work on foreign audience because why not? What's wrong with trying, right? So I'll do that and then I'll come back. And obviously for summer breaks, I'll be in India and winter breaks as well.
So yeah, I was about to get to that. Do you want to stay in India or abroad?
I don't want to. Okay, so I'm sorry, Indians, but I want to make my money from India, but I don't want to live in India.
That's new, I would say.
Like
People mostly spend their money that
Yeah.
they earn outside in India because it's
cheap.
cheap.
Yeah, no, I think Dubai is a lot more cheaper than India.
No, what my point is, कि अगर suppose if I'm earning $10 in US,
Yeah.
ठीक है, I could spend that $10 in India and get more out of it.
No. I'm talking as a comedian right now. As a surgeon, obviously, I want to spend my life in the US. Yeah, but as a comedian, obviously, I want to represent India. कि हाँ बहनचो ये भाई वीरदास लक्ष्मण वो वैसा.
Veerdas Lakshman. So like, who's your favorite stand-up comedian? One you look up
Johnny
to?
Lever, 100%.
Okay.
Like I watched his old videos, like where he had that afro hair and the jokes were like Santa Banta type shit jokes, and they would still land. So yeah, that's big comedy for me.
Like
And-
lame and very.
And
It wasn't lame. Comedy is subjective.
And Abhi wale the relevant comedians mein.
Depends. Okay. Now I think I learn a lot of them. No favorites actually. I see all of them as competition at this point.
Okay.
That's a
Yeah.
good mindset to have.
Yeah, I mean, nice. But you don't stay in India, na?
Yeah. So what?
So
What?
community बढ़ रही है ना?
Yeah. So I don't care. My point is ki I'll live somewhere else, but when I'm performing, I'll perform first in India, and if I get for abroad, like international shows, yeah, of course. But my point is, Indian comedy should be mine. That's what I want.
Okay, you want to be the king of
Comedy,
Indian
yeah.
comedy. Nice.
I want to be the Tanmay Bhatt and Veer Das of comedy. I would
That's what
not fat
I
though.
was the answer. I was asking the name.
Yeah.
Tanmay Bhatt. I got Tanmay Bhatt.
Yeah,
We all want to be Tanmay.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
That guy is a fucking
not
genius,
overweight
bro.
and chain smoker though.
I don't care. But bro, that guy is a fucking genius, bhai.
True. He did the recent Johnny Sins and Ranveer. Singh
Yeah, bro,
ad.
that ad is too good, bhai. That ad is just amazing. To
It's-
put it together
it's-
is
yeah.
crazy. Like to think about it is okay, but to actually make it happen is something commendable.
Not really. If you're Tanmay Bhatt, I think it's easy.
But bro,
Yeah.
being at that level is crazy, bro. You can bring
Where
in
that
people.
guy is not.
I swear to
Damn,
God.
we were talking about relationships. Now we're talking about Tanmay Bhatt.
It's
We're
like
talking
Johnny Sins, though.
advertisements.
But yeah.
You like Johnny Sins?
No, I don't watch porn. I have this tattoo that says "Let God," so that I don't, even if I think of watching porn, I just look at this and I'm like, no, you,
Let God
yeah,
elaborate.
let go and let God. So like, let go of a few things and then let God deal with them. Vesa.
Yeah.
No, fuck off. That's so disgusting. This
This
is
was
staying in
disgusting
the
on the whole
podcast. Yeah.
This will go in.
Okay. Yeah, but so like I think we should talk about porn addiction as well. It's fucked up. Do you think how often do you watch porn?
Enough.
How often? Once.
You are on our podcast. Let's start with you. Then I'll
Okay,
get
I
to
do
how-
not watch porn. I haven't watched porn since 1st January actually, yeah.
2020.
No,
Four.
yeah. No, actually December something. I got this tattoo in January.
Okay.
Like the middle
Was
of
the
December.
tattoo for your addiction towards
No.
porn? Then
It was something that I always wanted to get, and I was confused. He left arm or right arm, so I decided right arm because why not?
Or
Like,
tattoo
even if I
बनवाते ही.
fucking relapse, like
it's upside down. The tattoo.
no, it's facing me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's
it
not
is-
upside down.
It is
For you.
for you. It is in the right direction. but
Yeah.
Generally, what people do is
This.
get it- yeah, like that way.
Huh? Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah. So-
But-
But I don't want others to see
Yeah.
it. It's for
Exactly,
me.
that's-
I
that's
want it
good.
to see.
That's
Yeah.
That's good.
But
Like
we're talking about how often do you watch porn?
Oh, I do not.
You do not.
I do not.
Before 2024.
There was this time where I was like completely fucking addicted because, like I said, I'm in my drop year.
Addicted means 2 times a day.
No,
3.
no. Okay, relax. Once a day, bro.
That's not addicted.
Bro,
That is
I think
addicting, actually.
the state that I was in, it was very fucked up for me. So one was also a lot for me. Once a day was also a lot for me. Okay, so there was this phase where I would just wake up at 1:32. I'd just go to the washroom, spend 3-4 hours. Okay,
What the fuck?
yeah, like no, I'd take a shower and everything. So I'd just come out of the shower at 4-ish, and then I would think maybe gym jaunga, maybe nahi jaunga. Yeah, it was very fucked, dude. It was like for a month and a half.
Do you think how do you come out of that? You had a tattoo?
No,
How do you come
you
out of
realize that
vicious
you're
cycle?
in deep shit. You watch a few videos, and if you're bold enough, you shave your head.
But how do you stop watching porn?
Yeah,
Shave
no,
your head?
no. Okay, so if you shave your head, yeah, and if you go to the restroom to bust a nut, you see yourself, ki, oh fuck, I've shaved my head for this particular reason, and I'm failing. So what's the point of it? Like I'm disappointing myself. What's the point of all this? So yeah, you're like, chhi.
Do you think malab
I think first of all, shout out to Modi for banning porn. Arey, shush. Shout out to Modi for banning porn. I love you, cutie patootie. Yeah, anyways.
So like for now, since like 1st January 2024, you haven't watched.
how has been
No.
your energy levels?
100%
feeling-
high, dude, always.
Like what is the difference? Like since the stage you were in and now?
You look at girls. the
Booty
same
calls are
way?
fun.
No. Do you look at girls the same way?
Yeah, absolutely.
Then you haven't changed.
Oh,
Yeah, bro.
that's what you think?
Yeah.
No.
I personally feel.
I started journaling a lot. If that
Yeah.
changes,
Bro, let's fucking talk about. Wow. Do you
yes,
journal a
yeah,
lot?
100%.
How often?
Like once every day.
Bro,
At
let's
least.
fucking go, bhai.
Yeah, karna padta, dude.
Bhai,
You should also journal.
do it, bhai. People don't understand. I told him also to do it. But it's
Journal.
fucking important to
Yes.
see your fucking thoughts. Like if I'm thinking something right or wrong, you need to see it.
Yeah,
And then
100%.
you're like, okay, this is important to think about. I'll think about it.
Yes.
And if you are like in a day, if you are like walking, doing normal chores, and a random thought comes to you again and again, like a random thought aa raha hai, bro, कि मतलब ये मेरे
Maybe
को
I just
काम
want to
करना है.
jump off.
Yeah,
Like
why?
fucking die. Why do I want to die?
I want to write it down. I need to figure the process of just write. Why is this thought coming to me?
Yeah, why
Just
is the
clarity.
question? Okay, see, wait, now.
You journal on a phone?
No.
Write it down, pen and paper.
Yeah, pen
Let's
and paper.
fucking go, bhai.
100%.
That's the best.
But so there's this dap kar behan ki lodi. Yeah. So the girl that I was talking about, I wrote this folder, Death of Me, right? And then I write this, why was her? These are all questions. Ki, why was the girl everything for me? Like I wrote why about everything that I wanted to do with her. Like, why do I want her to be the mother of my kids? Like, I'm talking that kind of shit. And then I took pen and paper और फिर उसमें मैं लिखने लगा कि मुझे ऐसा क्यों हो रहा था.
Bhai, pen and paper is magic,
Goated, bro.
It is
Goated.
magic.
Best
Bhai,
cheese.
let's go, bhai. I feel कि मतलब, how do you like journal? Like, do you think of who are you talking to in the journal? Yourself from like the past or the future?
I don't know. I don't do he, him, they, them. I just see.
no.
So yeah, I just
Like-
start with 3 things that I'm grateful for. First of all,
Yeah.
Ki
I ended off with that.
Mummy. No. I start with that. Oh yeah, actually.
Yeah,
Good. Damn.
For
How
a
long-
day, like.
I
How
am
long have
moved.
you been doing it?
6 months plus.
3 years. So yeah.
Damn. Oh yeah.
Zero. I don't journal.
Bro, but please continue it, bro. It's amazing. Bro.
Yeah, so I
love
start
this.
with 3 things that I'm grateful for, and then like the 3 things that I wish I would have done yesterday, and just so that I don't procrastinate, I just deal with them today itself, and then goals for today and everything.
Right. I've started this new thing also. This year only I started. Like I have 3 stars for a day now.
Stars.
Stars. Ki
Uh-huh.
every day is like, ki, bro, if like the day is flawless, it is good to flawless, I give it a 3 star. If it is like I'm
theek hai.
alive and like everyone's happy and I'm like, it's a day like gloomy
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
It's a 2. And if it's like
Someone died.
not died, I'm not considering.
Not journaling that day,
Like,
please.
you need to journal.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
shit,
I know.
Oh, I started off of that.
Like,
Yeah?
Yeah.
Somebody died. Who?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's not our word.
Yeah.
So, bro, that was like a crazy thing. But like stars is like for you to just know ki how this day was like at a glimpse. And why did you give it like 3 stars? What happened in that day? कि आज मेरे को first time ऑटो मिल गई bro बिना कुछ करे. It's a fucking
Blessing in disguise, bro. It's like
Be fucking
Jesus was
grateful about
driving
it.
that auto.
बॉम्बे में getting auto is like-
Oh god.
भाई मेरे को बॉम्बे में सही में भाई सेल्फ एस्टीम इश्यूज हो जाते हैं जब तुम अंधेरी से ऑटो पकड़ते हो तो
नहीं, I think
मिल जाता है,
मिल
bro.
जाता
नहीं
है.
मिलता भाई.
Are you like where do you live? Like where were you raised? School का
दिल्ली
आगे?
भाई.
दिल्ली भाई.
Yeah,
शक्ल
no
देखो
wonder.
भाई.
He's just an hater. That's all I can
Bhai,
see.
I don't like Delhi. Let's not
Let's
get into
not
that
talk
argument.
about Delhi.
Every episode we get into that argument.
See,
Oh,
I'll
Delhi,
tell
Bombay.
something. Delhi food is nice. Delhi people are nice. It's just their hater mindset. Mumbai people don't give a fuck about
Yes.
if Delhi is better or not. ठीक है, better है, बेंचो रहे ना. मुंबई आके बता रहा है कि ओ दिल्ली better. अरे
as I'm from someone from Delhi, fuck you.
right. Without consent, obviously.
No.
अच्छा मुंबई में चलता है. हाँ, right.
मुंबई में बना तो कंसेप्ट
Beach पे.
Yeah.
But
सही है.
Journal करो, खुश रहो and मस्ती करो भाई.
Woo.
Like from like what we talked about journaling, I have a very good question for you.
Go on.
Like, do you think about death?
Yeah, 100%. But I don't. I just know that it's inevitable. So it's just a matter of time till all of my loved ones pass away, then I pass away, or I pass and then they. That would be fucked up for me. But yeah.
How did you come to terms with that? मतलब it took me time personally to like come in terms कि bro, death is something that will come and my loved one will also go or मतलब vice versa. But I don't.
Oh, I
couldn't
just
get to
love them
terms.
more. I love them more.
Yeah.
And when it comes to fights, I just don't, like put my back to it. कि like, बेंचो मुझे नहीं लड़ना. Like लड़ रहे हो तो बेंचो लड़ेंगे. उसके बाद we'll talk things out and then वापस, loved ones रहेंगे. I just don't want to walk away from now, like people that I want to keep in my life. वैसा. That's really something that I learned.
Okay.
When walking away, I don't. Well, you just said you want to stay away from your parents.
No, that's different. It's like living differently
Yeah.
because they don't.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no,
They
no,
have
no.
set boundaries for me. That's
So
what
like,
I'm saying.
are you like made peace with it that one day everyone's gonna die?
Yeah, obviously. The
That's a
sooner the
fact,
better.
Like, I mean, few people are still not able to process that fact.
No, it took me also like time कि भाई मतलब fuck bro मर जाएंगे. Like whatever we're doing right now, how long? And like if I want to reap fruits from my actions at the moment, I need to live longer
True.
for that. So some habits need to change, some lifestyles.
No
need to
smoking,
change.
no.
Drinking.
I don't drink.
No passionate drinking.
Just live longer, bro.
Yes.